Hello dear friends, if you wanna see your Facebook screen time, how many time you stay active on Facebook, then here in this video I'm gonna share 2 ways to check your Facebook screen time. And not only Facebook but also you can see the screen time of any other application by applying the same process, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. In the first method, what to do, go to your phone settings and then from this options find an option app, this one apps, so click on it and from this app list find out the Facebook app, this one. So first you gotta open it. Now see screen time option is here. So click on it and see my screen time. Today only 17 minutes. And if you wanna check the weekly screen time, you can do that. Just click on weekly button here. And now see my total screen time in this week is 1 hour 13 minutes. So that was the first method to check your screen time. And now I'm gonna show you the second method. Just go back. Just click on this Facebook app and hold for a few seconds like this. And near the top right corner you see a small eye button here. So click on it. Again, you get the same page, just click on screen time. So these are the 2 very simple ways to check your screen time. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you, bye bye.